People in many areas of the world have been eating unripe bananas for centuries, but with little understanding of its potential health benefits. In recent years, research studies have discovered some surprising health benefits associated with a key ingredient of unripe bananas. In this episode of Backyard Health and Healing, I will reveal these newly discovered health benefits that you too can gain from eating unripe bananas. Unripe bananas are an excellent source of resistant starch. Resistant starch is a type of carbohydrate fiber that doesn't get digested for energy. This quality of the unripe banana makes it an excellent food for supporting weight loss. So, adding boiled unripe bananas to your meals will cause you to feel full while consuming fewer calories, and this will help you to lose weight. If that doesn't convince you to try unripe bananas for weight loss, in a recently published study, overweight persons who were given resistant starch for 8 weeks experienced changes in the bacterial composition of their gut, which resulted in less fat being absorbed from food. And the participants lost an average of 2.8 kilograms of body weight. So, it appears that consuming boiled unripe bananas will not only help you to eat less, but may also be able to help you to limit the amounts of dietary fat you absorb from your meals. Besides promoting weight loss, unripe bananas may also be used to improve blood sugar control. For instance, in one clinical study, researchers found that the starch from unripe bananas was able to reduce blood sugar in persons with type 2 diabetes. Other studies have found that the resistant starch in bananas influences blood sugar through metabolic pathways that are linked to certain bacteria in the intestines. According to the research, the benefits of lowered fat absorption and reduced blood sugar can be achieved by consuming 20 grams per day of resistant starch from bananas. This would be the equivalent of consuming about 2 boiled unripe bananas per day.